Rentvine team, how we doing? How we feeling today? We got another video of Rentvine Academy, and today we are going to be going over how to syndicate a properties and listing. So I'm just going to go to my global search. I'm going to go to a specific property, one of the last properties I was working on. And then right here we have all of our rental details, have all of our marketing photos. As you can see, you could add photos here, and if you want to view all the photos, you could go ahead and do that. If you wanted to switch to main photo, you could easily do that here and then get that moved over if needed. You can also delete certain photos, upload new photos, things along those lines. Once I go to marketing, this is all the marketing information within this property. So you have your property details, lease information, the syndication, the property description. As you go down, there is more and more information, like the contact information, who would somebody contact associated to this property, etc. More and more information as needed. And then as I go up, if I want to syndicate this specific property, I could go ahead and toggle this on. I can see all my contact information that's automatically pulling from the contact section of this marketing page. I can see all my property features. And please note that all this information is pulling from the previous syndication. So it's going to save from the previous time you syndicated this property. If there's anything that you got to do to make adjustments, like let's say maybe we wanted to remove the gas stove and we wanted to add maybe like an oven or an island, we could go ahead and do that straight from this page. Or if you needed to add an additional feature, you could do that here as well. Then from there, it's going to pull the listing review, which this is just pulling the rental details section from the property. We also have RentFinder.ai. So if you guys use RentFinder.ai, this is directly within Rentvine now. So you guys could run a RentFinder report. There are different options that you could do whenever it comes to different packages, but this is just going to give you rental comps for the specific property. It's going to use AI to go ahead and scrape public information from the web and then give you a confidence score of what they think this property is worth, show you all the information, the data, where they pulled it from, and then you could share this if needed. They'll pull you a nice Rent Finder report, and you can do that directly from here. And then we also have a listing description, so we got some AI built in here as well. So you could do a headline and a description. Let's say if and have AI generate that for you. Let's say if you wanted to edit this specific paragraph, you could definitely do that. We could easily remove that, or we could get things added as needed. Let's say if the AI generated this headline or description and I wanted it to generate a new one, I could easily do that. And then from there, I could choose where I want my property to be syndicated. So we have multiple different websites showing providers, different networks, as you can see here, to get your property advertised. And then once you're ready, you could go ahead and click activate. It's going to go ahead and get activated, and then the activation will be completed and you are good to go. Thank you guys so much for your time. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or please contact support